Introducing the Universal Windscreen Washer Tank, the perfect solution for those looking to replace a discontinued or damaged washer tank. The Universal Windshield Washer Tank is a versatile product that can be installed in a variety of vehicles including cars, trucks. Please confirm the installation space. First, to ensure a proper fit. It features durable construction and a 1.5-liter capacity to ensure you have enough washer fluid to keep your windshield clean on the go. Overall, with a little installation work, you can enjoy clear vision and safe driving, no matter what the weather is like outside.